Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me in my beverage-based rebellion against the cold weather. If summer won't get here more quickly, I'm just going to start living like it's already here. And what says fun in the sun better than a frozen lemonade cocktail? I'm going to start off by making State Fair lemonade using a recipe from the great Chef John. I'm peeling the lemons, trying to avoid as much white pith as possible. Then I'm adding sugar to the mixture and massaging it into the lemon peels. Sugar has sharp crystals that dig into the peel and help extract the oil in the zest, which will boost the lemon flavor. After letting that sit overnight, I'm adding the mixture to boiling water and letting it sit for 5 minutes. Next, I'm straining the solids out and letting it cool for about 30 minutes before chilling in the fridge, then freezing into cubes. To make this drink extra summery, we're adding a berry swirl to the glass. Add berries of your choice, I'm using raspberries and strawberries, to a pot with a little water and some lemon juice. While that's cooking down, I'm adding sugar and a cornstarch slurry to thicken. If you add cornstarch directly to the hot berry mixture, it will clump and ruin your sauce, so make sure to mix it in with some cold water before adding. Also, be sure to double check that you're using cornstarch and not baking powder, or this will happen and you will have ruined a perfectly good batch of berries. Once the sauce is reduced down enough, pass it through a mesh strainer to remove the seeds, and let it cool completely before adding it to your container of choice. I'm using a little plastic squeeze bottle. Then store in the fridge until you're ready to enjoy your beverage. Now that all the components are ready, it's time for assembly. For one tall glass, throw half the lemonade cubes into a blender. Add spirits if you're so inclined. I use 2 shots of vodka, but the flavor of the lemonade could definitely stand up to more, depending on what kind of day you're trying to have, I suppose. Squirt the raspberry sauce into a glass in whatever pattern you feel. I'm going for spiral here. Then pour your slush. If your lemonade is too thick, you may want to add some water to thin it out, or whoops. Garnish with some lemon and raspberry. Find a nice sunny spot to enjoy your beverage and tuck in.